In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Systeme.io templates. If you've received a funnel share link and you want to add that template into your own Systeme.io account, the process is very simple. The main thing is to follow the order correctly so the platform can recognize your session and import the funnel without issues. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can do it smoothly from start to finish. First, log into your account. Open your web browser, go to systeme.io, and sign into your dashboard. Once you're inside, leave that tab open. This part is important because keeping your account active in the browser helps Systeme.io recognize that the template should be imported directly into your account. If you close the tab or try to do everything without being logged in first, the import may not work the way you expect. Next, open a completely new tab in the same browser window. In that new tab, paste the funnel share link you received into the address bar, and then press enter. Make sure you open it in the same browser where you're already logged into Systeme.io. That way the system can connect the link to your active session. If needed, give the page a moment to load fully after you press enter. Once the link opens, Systeme.io will automatically recognize it. You should see a quick loading status bar on the screen showing that the funnel is being cloned or duplicated into your account. At this stage, you usually don't need to click anything else. Just wait a few seconds and let the system complete the import. If your internet is a little slow, give it an extra moment so the process can finish properly. After the import is complete, go back to your dashboard and navigate to the Funnels tab from the main menu. The imported template should now appear right at the top of your funnel list, which makes it easy to find. Click on it to open it up. From there, you can rename the funnel so it's easier to identify later, and then start customizing it inside the drag and drop editor. This is where you can edit the pages, update the text, swap out images, and make the design match your brand or offer. And that's it. As long as you're logged in first, open the share link in a new tab and wait for the cloning message to finish. Importing a Systeme.io template is quick and easy.